Once upon a time, in a distant and enchanted land, there existed a magnificent creature known as the Phoenix, or the Red Firebird. This mythical bird was unlike any other, embodying the essence of rebirth and hope. From that day forward, Ilara and the Phoenix became guardians of the enchanted forest. The village prospered, and a sense of harmony prevailed. The Phoenix continued its cycle of rebirth, bringing hope and renewal to all who beheld its majestic presence. In a mystical forest, there stood a majestic ancient tree known as the Jade Orchid. Nestled within its branches was the nesting place of the Phoenix, a place where magic and wonder thrived. The Phoenix itself radiated a vibrant red glow, resembling a living flame, with wings that stretched out majestically. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there existed a diverse community of animals living harmoniously together. In this world, each species carried its unique set of genetic traits. They chose to combine their genetic traits to create a new generation with both outstanding characteristics. The result was mice with protective shells, enabling them to move swiftly through the forest and possess the flexibility to dig tunnels. They chose to combine their genetic traits to create a new generation with both outstanding characteristics. The result was mice with protective shells, enabling them to move swiftly through the forest and possess the flexibility to dig tunnels. The genetic combination not only helped Milo and Rosie solve their problem, but also brought balance to the animal community. Other species, such as deer and butterflies, decided to join in the genetic fusion to optimize their strength and survival skills.